Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you are new here, and I'm just going to jump right into this. I went ahead and moisturized my skin, and this is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial, so I'm using all products from SISTAR USA. It's like an indie cosmetic brand. I really dig their message. They sent me a whole bunch of goodies, so I'm going to be using them today. I'm going to go in with the Skin Perfecting BB Cushion, and I am in the shade Light. And this is going to give full coverage while still looking natural and dewy. I would say this is for all skin types. It's such a beautiful formula. I'm going to take the little applicator sponge and basically just tap this all over my face. It's a super quick and easy application, so this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to use when I'm in a hurry because I could just like smear it on my face. I don't have to like worry about blending it out. It just melts into the skin and looks beautiful without a lot of effort. And next I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to take the Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liner in Shy Rose. This color is so gorgeous. It's like your lips but better, and it's perfect for lining them even if you don't want to wear lipstick and you just want to like reshape your lips. Such a beautiful color, and it is a waterproof formula, so it does not budge. And after that, I'm going to take their signature lip color in the shade Rose Garden. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this shade. One of my all-time favorite lipsticks recently was discontinued and I'm out of it, and this is a dupe for that color. It is such like just my color, and I really enjoy the formula. It's very moisturizing, very high in saturation, and their lipsticks are only $5.99, and it smells like actual roses, so definitely obsessed with the lipstick. Next, I am going to use the Skin Perfecting Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. This is basically just going to help create a velvety smooth skin texture. It's going to instantly blur the appearance of any pores, fine lines, and set our face so it lasts throughout the day. And I'm just going to use a little puffer applicator that it came with, and I'm going to tap that all over. You want to avoid rubbing because you don't want to disturb your foundation, so just gently tap. This would also make a great powder to bake with. However, we're not baking today. It is not that type of party. All right, moving on, I'm going to take their Lit and Glow Luminizer palette. I'm going to take the shade that's in the middle, and I'm going to use this to put some color back into my face, warm my face back up, and just basically bronze it up. And I'm basically going to take this where I would contour, but I'm using a really light hand. You don't want to go in, too heavy. I'm also taking it to my jawline, and I'm also going to take it around my hairline and on my ears and on my nose. Next, we're going to add some radiance to our skin. I'm going to go back into that Lit and Glow Luminizer palette, take the lightest shade, and I am going to apply that to my cheekbones, to my brow bones, and to the tip of my nose. Next, I'm going to use their Tame and Sculpt Perfect Brow Kit in Dark to define my brows. I'm going to tame my brows by using the wax first, and then I'm going to use both shades just to give more of a natural finish, to fill in any blanks and just define my brows. And I have a little tip for you guys when it comes to brows, and that is blend. So just blend as you go. Sometimes I forget, to blend well. That's something I'm working on. But yeah, blend those brows out. Next, I'm going to add some more color back into my face, and I'm going to take the Half Moon Blush Duo, and I'm going in with the shade Rosy Cheeks, and I'm just going to tap this on the apples of my cheeks, blending it towards my ear, using a light hand. Also, lately I've been loving taking my blush across like the whole center of my face. It just gives this like natural youthful appearance. And I just have been obsessed doing my blush this way. You guys try it out. Let me know if you like it. Next, I'm going to go in with the Sunkissed Eyeshadow palette. This palette is composed of 6 beautiful shades. This palette is a must-have for my neutral lovers out there. Such a beautiful palette. So I'm going to take this 5th color and I'm going to basically just pop that into the crease, blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to take the 4th shade in, this gorgeous gold, and I'm going to saturate my lid with this color, and with whatever is left, I'm going to blend up into the crease. Next, I'm going to take the dark brown matte shade and I'm going to pop that on the outer lid and crease, and then I'm going to take a clean crease brush and just blend out the edges. And here are my fingertips with swatches of the eyeshadow palette. Such beautiful colors. Next, I am going to take this eye contour eyeliner, Precise Liquid Liner, and I am going to give myself a nice little wing. I really love this liner. I put this on at like 8 in the morning, at like 9 o'clock at night. It was still like as if I just did it. So this liner is incredible. Really, really good at staying and not budging. So, and my allergies, it was so windy today. My allergies are nuts. And my eyes were just like watering all day, and I was blown away that my liner stayed on. So if you are looking for a smudge-free, waterproof, long-wearing liquid liner, this is definitely it. And it's very beginner-friendly. The applicator is so fine, so you can get in there and really be precise with your lines. Nothing gives me anxiety like uneven wings. I had a little eyeliner mishap. Nothing a little Q-tip can't fix. Q-tips are your best friend when it comes to liner. I always keep them really close by. Moving along, I'm going to take that highlight shade again in the luminizer palette, and I'm going to hit the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to prep my lashes for falsies by applying some mascara. I'm using the SISTAR Lash Boom High Volume Mascara. This is just going to get our lashes nice and bold and darker. So typically I will do 1 coat of mascara, wait about a minute, and then do my 2nd coat. Next, I'm going to take the Ultimate Define Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to take that to my waterline and bottom lash line, and this is just going to brighten our eyes even more. And this formula is also waterproof, smudge-free, long wearing, and we're gonna skip bottom lash mascara. We're just gonna keep that nice and bright under the eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with some lashes, and I applied my Cocoa lashes in the style Misha. Next, I'm going to take this Ultimate Define Gel Eyeliner in the shade Deep Brown, and I like to use this in my upper waterline to further define my eyes and diffuse that pink in my waterline. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. I will leave all of the products down below in the description box. Until next time, peace.